So I'm using acrylic medium worsted yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. I'll start with the slip knot and I'm gonna chain 2. 5 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Oops. 2, 3, 4 and 5 and join. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch. 1, and again join to close the round. Round 3 I'm gonna chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch. And again I'll join to close the round. Now for chain 4 I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. I will alternate 2 1 2 1. And join. Round 5 again I'll repeat round 3, single crochet in every stitch. And join. Again in round 6 I'm gonna increase, so chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 in the next stitch, 1 in the next 2 stitches till the end of the round. And join. Row 7 again, it's gonna be chain 1, single crochet in every stitch. And then join again. So again in row 8 we'll keep increasing. So chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and join again. So this is the width I require for the egg. From this row onwards, I'm gonna only make single crochet throughout all the rounds. If you want to make a bigger egg, you keep on increasing row 8. Like for example, in this row I increased 3 stitches. Next row will be single crochet around. The next one I will make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and so on. So now what I'm gonna do is from row 9 to 15 I'm gonna single crochet throughout. So chain 1 and single crochet. I'll come back once I'm done with row around 15 to show you what to do next. So now I'm done with 15 rows, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fasten off. I'll leave a long thread for the stitching and sewing of the egg. I'll pull the thread. So what I'm gonna do now, in every stitch I'm gonna join the needle and take it out from the next stitch till I finish the round. And this is the last one. Now what I'm gonna do is pull the egg to close it. Make sure you fill it till the end and there is no space left, as neatly as possible. And that's it. I will cut my thread, and this is the egg. This is another one I did previously. Hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.